Hey, hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Speak English Day 7. So, right now you can see in my hands a plastic transparent box, or you can say a plastic transparent container. And in the container, or inside the container, we can see something is there. Something is there, right? So first of all, I need to take off the lid. It has a lid. It has a lid. And the lid is labeled with some texts and some logos or images you can see here. And here, a microphone. So right now, another thing. Like I'm gonna keep the lid down. I'm gonna keep or put the lid down. Put the lid down. Okay. So take out the microphone. Take out the microphone. And keep inside the microphone. Keep the microphone inside the box or inside the container. Get it? Hey, hello. This is another part of daily speaking English. So in my hand, you can see a coffee mug. A coffee mug. So right now, I have a water bottle. I have a water bottle. So I'm just pouring some water inside the coffee mug. Inside the coffee mug or in the coffee mug. Okay, so I poured some water in the coffee mug. I poured some water in the coffee mug. Okay, and if I have a sip, so I sipped some water. I sipped some water.